Hey everyone. So if you watch this channel, there's a good chance you use Dynamo. Probably use Dynamo for Revit. There are a variety of Dynamos that connect into other tools as well. And I wanted to make this video today because I was talking to a friend, and we were talking about Dynamo, and I mentioned how I use Dynamo Sandbox to build just things for fun, or I will just kind of mess around with it in time to time, or if I want to see new features. Those are some of the reasons why I would use it. And he mentioned he didn't really know about that tool and just knew about the Dynamo for Revit. And so I thought it would be worth bringing up in this video, just for folks that aren't aware of it. But there is a Dynamo Sandbox out there, and what that is kind of an independent Dynamo environment that isn't connected into any design tools. So not Dynamo for Revit, so you won't get the Revit API stuff, but you'll get all the Dynamo geometry nodes, list management stuff, so you can still create pretty cool things in it. And this is an example of that, of creating something in this tool, and then I'm also able to save it locally and open it anytime I want. And when you visit this site, you can download the latest version, which is really handy if you want to check out some of the latest features of the new Dynamo. Also, if you want to download a specific build, you can see all builds here, and then you can download those if you want to mess with any of them. And what I do is I just put this stuff on my desktop, and then I create a shortcut to this file here. So if I get rid of this search, this is what one of the downloaded files would look like for you. So this is 3.4.1. It just has a whole bunch of files, and the one you care about is this Dynamo Sandbox. Care about depends on what you're doing, but if you're just getting into Dynamo like I was and just placing nodes and messing around with stuff, then creating a shortcut for this, like on your desktop, then you could just click on it and it launches Dynamo, and then you can just start doing whatever you want. But anyways, that's kind of it. It's available for anybody. I really like to see tools that anybody can access. They don't need a license or a subscription or have to have some school account. I think that opens it up to a wider audience of people that are passionate about this stuff and that can build skills that they can then market, to a company, a local company, or whatever. And so Dynamo Sandbox is, I think, one of those tools where you can download it. You don't need to sign up for anything, and then you can launch it and then start exploring the tool. And if you're new to Dynamo, it could be a really cool way to kind of figure out how it works. Maybe you work at a firm that doesn't allow you to have Revit. This will allow you to install Dynamo. You could build that skill and then market that skill to other companies potentially. So anyways, that's all I've got for this video. Let me know if you build anything cool in this tool. I like to build stuff, and then I usually put it on GitHub somewhere. But yeah, I'd love to see other people's work and what they're doing. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.